and welcome back to another cleaning video. And in this week's video I'm going to be taking you along on my weekly cleaning routine. And today I'm starting off in the kitchen because I have these dishes to clear, so I prefer getting the dishes out of the way just to prevent any of those fruit flies from starting to swarm around the kitchen. So I'll wash the dishes first, wipe the counters, and then move on to the rest of the rooms. My weekly cleaning routine varies from week to week, and what I usually do to just keep the entire house clean is every week I pick a certain room to give more focus on. So in this case I'm going to be giving the majority of my focus to deep cleaning the bathroom. So I'm just doing a surface level clean for the living room, the bedroom, and the kitchen, and then the bathroom will be taking the bulk of my attention. So this is how I keep every room in rotation. So maybe next week I will focus more on the living room, but generally I have to do a lot of dusting, a lot of washing, and the kitchen, of course, you know, you always have to clean the kitchen every single day. I really like using glass lock containers to store food, but one thing about it is if you don't remove this rubber seal and wash that gap or that groove in between, the way your food will just stink like nothing else. Like, you'll notice even if you put your food in the fridge, it goes bad pretty fast, and that's because that rubber seal sometimes can really hold on to food particles, and of course if it's not cleaned, bacteria will develop. So with these rubber seals, it's annoying to have to remove them and wash them separately, but you just kind of have to. Moving over to the living room, and the first thing that has to be go is this puzzle that has been sitting on the dining table for the past 1 week. Usually when I do my puzzles, I tend to leave them out on display for a while before I come and destroy it. I also wanted to mention that I'm trying something different with how I put together my cleaning videos. I have removed most of the fast forwarded clips or the hyperlapse clips. I'm also keeping in a lot of the original audio from the cleaning and trying to talk less so you can just enjoy the music and the cleaning process. Let me know if this format of the video is more enjoyable or you prefer if I explain like literally everything I'm doing. I'm just trying to make sure that the products I'm using are clearly visible, and if there's anything out of the ordinary, then I will jump on here and explain why I am doing the madness that I'm doing. For the living room, there's nothing much going on apart from the usual dusting. If you're living in the UAE and you're constantly using air conditioning, you know there is this film of dust that will always be on your surfaces that you just have to get on top of like every day or every other day. And in terms of the cat fur, Sally got a haircut. As you can see, he has a little lion cat, looks like a little Simba. So nowadays I'm not struggling as much with removing the cat fur, but I'm going to be changing the cushions and also washing the throw blanket for the sofa, and that will be it for the living room. I'm changing my beddings today, and I'm so happy that I filmed this because now everyone can see Sally in his true colors. On Instagram, everybody's saying how he's so cute and he looks so calm. When I change my beddings, that's when Sally really shows off his skills and techniques, the way he starts running around and going crazy. When I say I have to dust everything every day, including the bed frame, there is just this light layer of dust that you will always find on all the surfaces, the nightstands, anything that's a surface, the dust will be there. We had our AC ducts professionally cleaned a while ago and it had reduced, but now I think it needs to be cleaned again. It's just this air conditioning living, dusting surfaces is just part of life. So I noticed that the vacuum was not giving me peak performance, and I usually keep all the manuals for the appliances around the house. Tell me why I went to open this manual and found out that I was supposed to be washing the vacuum filter and the vacuum reservoir. It's a dry vacuum, so I thought the best thing was to keep it away from water as much as possible. Turns out I was supposed to be washing it from the beginning. And just so you know how ignorant I was, I had never noticed that this was the outline of a faucet on the filter itself. And look at the state of the sponge. And before you lose it, yes, I went and got gloves and I washed my hands thoroughly after. I also ended up cleaning the vacuum nozzle itself because it had a lot of caked on dirt, and I actually had to use the shutter because of the pressure and also to clean the brush bristles on the head of the vacuum. I'm just doing a quick rinse on the bathtub because I'm going to be scrubbing and disinfecting it later. That's also why I ended up washing the vacuum parts here. For the bathroom, I'm going to start first by pouring the Harpic into the toilet bowl, so it will take some time to sit before I scrub it. Then I'm going to be scooping the cat litter, cleaning the bathroom shelves, and then scrubbing the sink and the bathtub. So once I was done with all the scrubbing and the steaming, my vacuum was dry, all the parts were dry and ready to be put back together, and the transformation is amazing. I didn't think I would be able to get it this clean, considering that I was supposed to be washing it and I wasn't, but I'm happy with the results. And with that, I'll be ending this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Let me know if you enjoyed the content presented this way, and I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Bye.